morning. Good morning.
Wonderful morning.
Yes, Tuesday morning.
And all those tuning in the live stream, and also those who are watching live on VDFM Facebook page, VDFM YouTube channel, and VDFM TikTok account. A very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen.
Right. Good morning to you and everybody now. The weather is changing now. We can see the clouds in the sun, in the atmosphere.
Right.
We can see how great the weather is today.
Yes, very lovely, very lovely.
Long
day.
time ago, we never see the sun because of the rain was crossing the equator.
Right.
So we are lovely at the mid-city this morning.
Ya, bayan to tadi bikin ini sabat tumal manilo ri taxi na minibus na pangambulo taltungan na manibus ini ngona bas ini pani nandawa panu ni mdak tadi biro taman lebu bolad na kenan reba na buku ni bebal ledi na matakan tan donga na pas ni tisi se bola bola na kenan tan ro taman lebu bayan to yani ana mataka vinaka ni kuwa
Right.
Mayroon sa talaga bikin mikat sa ralu baby tin. Ito wat waltong may garbe panuatan ni sa waltong kumain na live stream na Facebook page ni VTFM. Era buku ni bese mati niyan binaka.
Yo, wherever they are, we are.
Beli na the lebu yan binaka Blessed Tuesday. Mayroon sa talaga be John Kumar. Sema waltong kumain na Barara Valley Road may Singatoka and matabi na ni Kuwa. Sera tolo yan binaka. Arto to waltong may Waikato. Alfana Mod, may Melbourne. Good morning. Kami ni Boy, dua betul may Nantakyake Estate, may Maduata. Nianra.
Nabambulutan itabiuni nene numbula may tabiuni may udunay dae adani udunay ra. Apa tiyan nabambulutan indona kay tangiri apa ni bida tiyan bikin sara. Siya mutumay en longa new, longa voy en bimuno kin sara ni bingarabi may muan tumbulu naka. Nabambulutan ni bitabale feo. Wat kay kanisa ba ni bida tiyan ni nabuko ni kan. Di kita mana VTFM and matake ni kuwa.
Good morning to all the farmers out there. Thank you very much. Farmers Club gor nang unumbia. To Sunny Boy. The one and only bets. Para pada di Bastian go naturang bete may Bastian. Sunny Boy, thank you very much for the lovely walk.
Okay.
Without you, without the movement of the bus.
Right.
He is
You the boss. You the boss.
Who's that? Binabali ko Sunny Boy be Marika. Paano ni binakaberto kaya lingin bingarabi na nimbasi na sese. Ngona kena cheka kolewatu na toso. Kinandambe tubukan duwa nimbasi. Kena be tolo ningaw ni sala.
Paano ni binakaberto ni be Zek Tamani binabali sa siya butumay kay Sayrusi Bakalala.
Bula maleka. Siya mati kuming korang arto abing karepul to kuming korang unsalay sawani. Serrero de. Ngay to kanang ngay ni Somate Nangali.
Isale. Gori mo nang na budi bol sabang ulitin na baka ni binaka. Berto na escort chico, may turan ni visa batal ngakin na may ko ang reputaga chico na motopay. O di na
Olewan demo.
So.
Bola mina may meli tamani may imbure rua pa ni mina ni be ngarabi. Kere keder lingi ni be ngarabi be tokar buli may kina. Pambibital tunga be turangan ni visa. Kerto na kina ilawa. Arto ndo apa buli may kina na VTFM 92.2 FM. Na mataka binaka indai.
Okay, without taking much of our time there, Messi. Thanks to Zero Bites, quality product of Punjus biscuits. We want to bite the Zero Bites. How about the story of the Takiwai?
This is a story, everybody when someone is about, if you notify this.
About to go.
Some of us, the children, when wake up, they crying.
Yeah.
When you see one infant, one baby coming out, the first ever thing, the doctor or the kids is, he will cry.
Yes.
Right.
Because he can feel the atmosphere, how tough the world is.
Yes, how cruel.
How cruel.
Right.
Because
you cruel.
Who's? Then from there, the umbilical cord, they connect you from the umbilical cord.
Spell.
Navido. That connect you from the baby to the mother.
Right.
That's where you are one.
Right.
But when you are cut that one, you are alone in this world.
Yes.
You can feel how tough this world is, how painful this world is, how tears the world is, how far the world is. You need too strong. But sometimes when we woke up, we crying.
Okay.
Because
we said angry.
Because we are not sleep
nicely.
Okay,
someone wake you up, Messi.
No, because sometimes when we sleep like this, baka minta Rida may.
Right.
And Rida, some of us when we sleep,
right,
we are on the same dream.
Why you yan Rida? Why?
Ikut tayo kita lang yan Rida.
Bu siniraw-raw.
Kaya ikot tangi nga man like you when you infant, you tangi may when you still infant. Must be something heavy.
Not heavy. that time when we are kids, we want to mama.
Still heavy. Now.
We want to mama. Or you want to bar.
Right.
When we growing up like a primary school, when we wake up like this. So we wake up, we crying too sometime. Or we stand still like this and stare. Like 1 hour we stare, we just stare. So that our body can feel cooperative to the atmosphere of the moving vehicle.
Before you proceed, just say hi to Shelly. This Shelly is tuning in the TikTok. Double tap. Tell her to double tap.
Shelly, good morning. Thank you very much for the double tap.
Tim Tangimodia.
Tim Tangimodia and the family. Thank you very much. We love you all.
Nabitulaka. Doyan rabinaka na samit kung may nabitulaka na matama na ni Kuya Mari yan rabinaka.
Right.
Nabalay mo ng dobat bulto kumay. Bilay Senia.
Right.
Yan rabinaka.
And then when you wake up,
so one day, myself when we in Namburikadamu, when we nimbua, when we were there, when we were there, we use the water. We have a different kind of water there, like the Udiway Lebu is for the washing machine.
The river.
Washing machine. Kan isama-sama nga. Kan isama-sama si sili siya pakai ko biya sili siya bali sili kina.
No drink.
But normally no drink there.
Why?
Because it's coming from top,
Yes.
Animal there,
true.
For the washing.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Just drink it. We in the village, we okay. We are okay.
Boy, Mikaele.
Purify in the intestine.
Boy is different, Mikaele.
You need to come across. Then the tap water is just for cooking.
Yes.
But we have our own source of water for drinking.
Okay,
like for the source of water for drink. This one is ice water. It's for Nakawakawa, Sawolo, Namburikata. We all have that same kind of water. But ice water too. Like for the Nakawakawa, it's a Waibure. They have it from Sawolo. We have it in Namburikata. We name the place is Mataviroda. So it's like 400 meters away from the home. Not 400. Minus.
Kilometer?
Terus tali mo liyo
men. So from there, Tamay Josim Bula Binaka. So when we were there, one day I woke up like this. I want to sleep,
Right.
And my is a rib to kay Via, to kay Pita, Pita ay. He Buana. Makumbunggot.
Sid.
Buana.
How do you call makumbunggot?
Sinling.
Buaku.
Oy, buana.
Buaku, we just call it
buaka.
Buaka ko na kenu. Buaku. Buaku, come. You can go to Mataviroda and feel one drink. I want to drink.
Talagyo ka malay tagyo may.
Talay mula ko.
Talay.
Then myself, you know that kind of situation.
Because you woke up, or
I woke up, take 2 bottles.
Yan rade kalau tu
Take 2 bottles, 1.2 liter. 2 bottles. Then I walk down. Another one coming. Take another bottle. Fill for me. Diri myself was primary school. A whole like this.
The water bottle big, you small.
Yeah. That's why. You see me, I never grow. That's why you see me never grow.
No wonder,
So I come.
Refuse to grow.
So I have to cross a river, like from the sea. From Tumbusumungor na ubi. So from the sea, so baka may bulan na sea, may kami bayang kay tako sa mga nakoron, may wako na na gap ni kor. So I have to cross. So when you want to cross, go to Mataviroda where the ice water is. You have to pass one baka tree. Na baka it's like a cemetery for the chief.
Okay.
Baka na Sautambu.
Right.
The chief cemetery.
Iya.
So the chief cemetery from the people from the Kawakawa. So I have to pass. But myself the time very afraid.
Iya. Kaya ni kan tahu kelamin nak tuh, na
Yeah, we know the cemetery. We all know the cemetery. Yeah. Then from there, like 2 weeks ago, there was one prayer was coming. Don't know masuk. Iya, don't know masuk. He was coming one prayer. She pray. And he see
Ada apa?
there's two mommy.
Roda bicinani.
Roda bicinani. Bato tu matabi roda.
Oh.
One of the boy.
Iyo, bapa kami kata ni. Masuk ka kay Reida You know, because one day, sometime you pass from there, we listen to the infant crying.
Saro también Iya.
So sometimes because we coming there, we don't know where.
Gailang to iko.
Yeah, they melako to menga. Smell bututu. I was coming there, I was break. I see the cemetery, the chief cemetery.
Press the brake.
I'm sorry, the bang na chief cemetery. I look at the chief cemetery.
Lalu kita beri baka.
I see the mosquito net. Sangga imbiro church wa kila mirababal itu nakani.
Iya. Vai
sulit gitu. Sa kila ya kango sera bisar tungango.
Napaka sama nindi sengon
Iya, wasamin sengon.
Koko satu kana makasam na gura.
Gangon handa to kila when we go like that. If we never see the ngasau cross like this. Kinambale na kenribi suna ngasau na pambuto tu ba ya?
Iya.
Cross ke ogela kan ya ali tu ngasau. Kango tasirin do tu window ngango.
Chico sarang ko. Obang ko chico sarang ko.
Abo nuango karena betala-tala kina batana taba ya. Dua rotal memuri.
Iya.
I look at the left, I look at the right. Ahorita me kunin to radio. Usando la sarang na isong. Go kono uduendo no tumeke no kono busu ni weni sama-sama. We river na I fend the top of the water. So that the buso going away.
Put it in the pocket.
I pour the I feel the bottle.
Kasama teko na weni sama-sama.
Awin sama-sama sa sinyal mo tayo roda. Sa suka ko sa ma ya rere. I feel it. I come back. I go to Kaipita.
Ice water.
Siya nga ni ice ni way level.
Ice water. Saway di sobo ko.
I coming up. I when I go to Kaipita because they know the taste of the water. Tawala ko na way.
Because you are a child.
Ay matay.
Eros angkas.
Kila.
Ang sa roto kay Pita.
Ang uno to Kaipita. Ang to Kaipita tara ko na tulinta pa ni sini ice. He saw the bottle of the water doesn't ice water.
Right.
He knew something wrong. He drink and tampan moli.
Mena ba to kay Pita?
Siya katan kay ba? O sa kilasar tunga na dapat natarabang ko.
Ato mo na lawaki.
O sa mo. O sa pa mo, papita, can I go and wear my trousers? Can I double? Asin bero ko alam ma hindi ngo na ipagarauda. Sa babuli dia usaranga.
Why?
Sa babuli dia usaranga. Don't ever do that. The blessing from a grandfather, from a father, from the mother in the village. This is the blessing. If you do this, you repeat on doing this, you won't able to receive blessing. Come and I jump. Tau na biya ubang tambani muli ulande. Rua tolu. Ngai ndo nambungi ngai taleo tukai tingkan ndo nakalo ko nimbungi lebo sata ko suara. Au sabango isa na wele nangone.
Iya.
Mambungi lebo na numitan de na pakatawa sina kos-kosan itangi. Bala punjas. Zero bites, quality product. Never. If you allow yourself, your mommy, your grandfather ask you to go somewhere, please go. They are the God in this world, the father and the mother. We love you all. I'm sorry, Papita.
Sana kalibat atau kau papi tada so tambu.
Eu na singa, au sa tukuna tunga. Matai kene uti nonga tinia, au sa tinia bukan dona taka. Ni urere.
Kena bale lagi ko dota ka nonga ni talain rin ko.
Boy senga, kila urere ndina saranga ni ungai tukun mayon toni masu ai so. Ngo kimi marunga de kimi do tatakos kini kimi lay buler tulu ke primary. Ya batu ya nambula.
Dentro ni rusabata ko chikoro na be chinania bana otobe amemi.
Matabiroda.
Matabiroda. Dito na nambuno ba ka ni Chinanong niya ako mabunod sa ay suwata na maminiway.
Kaya nga imbuno yan nandun talaga may sapa ka umbuno.
Na wala sa FJ Asilika. Ora ni na gori may ko non tawin ni tumusere gori.
May buhay?
May buhay. May usang bulare. Ora ni na katian. Tama ka ni na katian.
Kalisita nga no bo. Yan rabinaka, do yan rabinaka.
O temi.
Kuku pakarangunti sartungang ko ay watu korosia lawanga house.
Sa.
Tumbulan.
Tombula binaka. Nabalem na sambuel tiko may sanita do yan rabinaka may dalay lambasa.
Ito ngoloa.
John Kumara. Boleh binaka, good morning. Saraya singa bukitong Arna Yanra. Delay faith Feli Farm nganggo bunu tong loara.
Penapiu ngotang bani Fiji watan dong bulan manikoro.
Right.
Ibara ramataki. Wana
wale tema lesi mata. Na no matiko na mo likes. Na mo share beke ni sama cukup na TikTok double tap Shelly. Double tap. Mana ni nakatian ni na mataka na ko gift may
Send gifts.
Beke ni na YouTube channel mana ni nakatian ni. Ya umika galon bula.
Elena Domoni.
Gotandi.
Na balik sara 0 bites. Quality product of Punjus biscuits.
Ni mode. Like taka, love taka, share taka ron dalay binita ko na mataka binan kuha. If you feel wata, ayal na kango. Right, like, love, share taka ron dalay. Share.
Kuno mingo ko lutu me bana buni ni may matabiroda.
Odengoro mocho sese. Odengoro tamay josi.
Tamay josi.
Omomo. Sa momo nangono masuki na bindo na mara mangay kambaniw. Wili to kay rambuni ngone. Sa sengkon talata ko momo.
Ginta lang ta mata.
Iyo, kita